All right, we had to cut because we were all choking in it. Look, he's still choking. I had to turn on the fan. I know it's a little bit loud in here now, but this is pepper spray. Y'all don't want that. He turned to the whole LAPD up in. Look, he can't say nothing. He can't say nothing. Look, and he's steady. That's because I already know how good it's gonna taste. I can take a look. I don't see how he doing it. He must smoke that ganja. Okay. Look, he's still choking. He said he could do it, but he can't do it.
I gotta turn this down.
Yeah, turn that off. Take it off. Look, this is something that you need to cook. Look, he messing up my. See, that's why I said he cannot touch my skillet. He cannot touch my cast iron. This is expensive. This is expensive. Look. We not gonna cut this. We not gonna cut that.
I got a perfect trick. Where the oil at? That's gonna take all that heat out.
Wait, what? Don't do that. No. Why? That's stupid.
Watch.
Then he wasted my good oil. I told him use that old fish grease. Take it off.
Most of that steam done went away. That's a trick for y'all. That is a trick. When they about to blow the house down, just put some more oil on it.
So I'm gonna temp mine so that I know it's done. You want chicken to be 165. We still got a little ways to go.
Oh, let me see mine. Put mine in.
Here.
Put it in the thickest part. He ain't tell y'all that.
That's because he's burning it, folks.
135.
So
Now look, this is what we're about to do. We had a change in plans because I was about to blow the whole house down. He ain't tell me that the jerk was that hot. So this is what we gonna do.
it's jerk seasoning, folks. It's jerk seasoning. I don't know what to tell them.
We gonna put this in the oven. You know, to cut some of that
The smoke.
that pepper.
No, the smoke. Look, I had to open the whole door.
God
Turn
damn.
on the whole fan. Look, we still coughing.
That's gonna solve
My camera woman's dying. He's trying to kill my fiance.
That's gonna solve all them problems. I've been pepper sprayed a few times, so this don't even face me.
Okay. You was the main one coughing. You was the first one to cough.
It brought back
Look.
PTSD.
Show him what he did to my pan. Oh, God.
That's nothing but seasoning right there.
All right, I'll flip it one more time. I got it on medium, low heat, all right? We got to cut down on the smoke in here, okay? So I'm going to temp it right in the darkest,
I could barely breathe in here.
right in the darkest spot, sorry. What's that, 140? So, yeah, it's climbing up steadily. So what we're going to do is, it's pretty much almost cooked, all right? We got 10 degrees left. 165 is what you want to cook your chicken to. I like to cook mine to 155, 160, then let it temp up the rest of the way I'll just turn off the pan and let it cook the rest of the way. And that's what we're gonna do. He put his in the oven because I'm not trying to burn down my apartment building, okay? I don't want them problems. So we'll be back in about 5 minutes once this is done, and then hopefully my house is aired out, and we can close the door. All right? All right. So we aired out our house while the chicken was finishing cooking. We temped it. He cut his to
No,
cook it.
I didn't.
Huh?
No, I didn't.
Cameraman, did he? Just shake it or look, she don't want to get involved. Camera woman, did he cut into a chicken?
Wow,
Yes.
that is such a lie.
Okay.
This is a sabotage. I see what I walked into today.
I tempted mine. We're just gonna cover. I'm gonna cover mine with a little bit.
Oh, show them what it looked like.
Yeah, show
Mine
'em.
already looked better.
So this is.
You see the colorization? Look at the juices. That means I cooked it perfectly.
Or he cooked it too much. This is mine. You can see it's nice mahogany. It has a nice glaze on it, right,
Because
camera?
all that honey.
Okay. Right, camera woman? So I'm gonna cover mine loosely with foil, just to keep it nice and moist.
And I'm gonna cover mine tightly with foil.
Why are you doing? Why? Explain why.
Huh?
Okay. So now I'm gonna cook our asparagus. You want to tell me what you're gonna do with yours? So I'm gonna turn mine on to high heat.
Yeah, me too.
He's just gonna do whatever I do, obviously. Come in closer, camera woman.
Go ahead and do yours first.
No, you do yours first, because you're gonna copy me.
Go ahead.
Do yours first. This is my channel, you do it first.
Alright, let's get it. Now that's what we're gonna do. Oh, my pan ain't even hot. You gotta go.
Mine ain't hot either.
Okay, so I walked into a sabotage. So they're making me go first.
So he's smoking it out already. Come on.
Wow. Okay. We're gonna add some oil. We're gonna switch it around some, right? The pan is already hot. I like my vegetables to be like more crispy. So
Did you wash your hands?
yeah, they wash.
Okay.
Okay. A little bit of salt. A little bit more. Buy me a spoon, but we don't use spoons. When I grew up, we didn't have spoons in the house.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. They're not almost done yet.
They're not almost done yet. So, first things first, we got a nice cast iron all cleaned out. Gonna put a little olive oil in there first. Sorry, my voice is still a little bit hoarse from coughing so much. Gonna turn our heat to about high to medium. Give me that because you're not even using it. We're gonna let these just come up with the heat of the pan slowly. That's gonna release some of the aromatics in them, and create a little bit of sweetness. All right, so it's not super harsh. I'm gonna take some of the salt. That's gonna draw out some of the moisture in it. All right.
All right.
A little bit of pepper. All right. Just gonna keep moving that around because we don't really want this to brown. We want it to turn translucent. Yeah, you like it. That has no flavor other than salt and asparagus. I'm sorry. So our aromatics are nice and translucent. I'm gonna add our asparagus. All right.
I should have put some garlic in mine, huh?
You tell me. But guess what I'm gonna do?
When I was growing up, we didn't have fresh fruit. Wait. When I was growing up, we didn't have fresh fruit or vegetables. We had nothing but powder.
We did. So what powdered fruit did we have?
I'm not gonna entertain that foolishness.
We just had powder. We had powdered water, powdered milk, powdered meat.
Touché.
I like a good amount of butter in mine, all right? A little bit of butter never hurt nobody.
Mine was better. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
I don't know about all that, buddy.
Okay.
I'm gonna add our tomatoes. That's just gonna add a nice little acidness, a little bit of freshness also, all right?
It's called acidity.
So we're gonna taste a little bit of it. Just gonna break off an end. Use a little bit of salt.
I ain't gonna taste mine because I ain't gonna taste mine because mine all off the muscle. Understand that? Keep tasting. I already know mine gonna taste good. I already know it's gonna taste good.
Gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Once again, sabotaged. You see that fancy plate? You see, look at this. Okay.
Hold on.
I see what's going on here. I got plates on plates, bro. I want this plate. No.
You want this plate?
No.
All right, then, shut up.
I walked into a double cross.
You know what? I'm gonna switch my plate just to make it a little bit more even. All right. Get your stuff. Come on. Let me bring this over here. Let me throw this foil away. You need something to play with? You
A
need
fork. Okay. I already got one.
Is it clean?
You right.
Unprofessional, guys. Unprofessional. I'm not used to things like this. You know, I'm a one-man show. I record, I edit, I film, I write all the recipes, all right? This guy
I was born and gave him all this talent. He took half of my talent.
So where'd the other half go?
To me.
You have talent?
Okay.
All right. So what I'm gonna do? My clean hands. I'm gonna take my potatoes.
They're sticking, buddy.
I'm just gonna line them off center. Let's take a couple of them. I'm gonna take my asparagus. Take about 3 of those right next to it. Add some of that nice, beautiful sauteed vegetables. Remember, it's garlic, onion, tomato, salt, pepper, and some good quality olive oil, all right? I'm gonna take this Look, it's not even a competition, guys. If we're judging this just off chicken, it's not even a competition.
Yeah,
all right?
I know, because I won.
Okay. I'm gonna take this chicken and set it right on top, all right? Just like that.
Who wants chicken grease
Okay.
on their vegetables?
Do yours, let's go. Come on. Get that look off your face.
Come on. What is we doing here?
Oh, stop.
Wow.
Amateur.
Wow.
You want a spatula?
A little stick ain't hurt nobody. Oh, let me taste one of these. They don't smell like they got no seasoning.
I thought he was a professional, guys. I thought he didn't have to taste anything.
That motherfucker needs some more salt. I ain't gonna lie to you. We gonna fix that.
I don't know how you gonna fix it, but there go the salt.
Wait. Go back to mine. Go back to mine. Home style. Go back to this one. Not enough food. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's dry. Cut me a piece.
It's dry because you didn't let me eat it when we first made it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's hot fire. Wait, take some off.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't want you to die because you ain't used to that hot fire.
I will say, it's not terrible. Too much pepper. Too much char. Not enough salt. Let's taste this asparagus. No trash.
Oh, let me. I taste the salt. Yes, sir.
Where you taste the salt at? Eat a potato first. Say it.
Say what?
It's seasoned all the way through. Okay? Listen to your boy.
I better.
Okay.
Yeah, mine better.
In what way?
You got more seasoning.
Listen, the onion, the olive oil, the garlic. You can taste all of it.
Hell no, my chicken better. My chicken better. I know it is.
That's almost like chicken teriyaki. That's how good it is. I love me.
It's jerk chicken.
I love me some Panda Express. Okay.
Try this. This is real jerk chicken. This is real jerk chicken. That shit is way better.
No, it's not.
Jasmine, try it. I'll give you your fork. Oh, a twin. We got the same DNA. So.
Mine is nice and mild and sweet. Okay.
I'll give you a little piece since you're scared. That's like being scared of God and being scared of me.
What?
You know it's good.
It's too salty.
Oh my God! Double cross.
Mm-mm. All sorts of Lowry's.
It's a double cross, I see. Now she gonna taste mine.
It is juicy.
He's a hater. That's fine.
Yours is too salty, but yours is seasoned, right?
Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
The double cross is back
Thank
to
you.
the full effect.
But we're gonna wrap this up because I'm hungry. My fiance's hungry. This guy's always hungry.
Excuse me.
Let us know who you think won. It should be me because you're subscribed to my channel.
Your potato was better. I ain't gonna lie.
But as I said, do your own outro. I'll finish. I'll do mine last because it's my channel at the end of the day.
This is my outro. Crown. Young Jesus, Young Hay, all praise to the Most High.
Thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Watch these videos over here. Subscribe somewhere down here. And as always, I'm sure